If y'all have ever wondered what I do to unwind after a busy week on Saturday, I'm fixing to show you. It's nitrogen. Just got started and we're down to 2,000 microns. Doing good. Got held. I'm measuring how much freon I'm putting in. On a little mini split. Here's my board. The sensor goes up here into a little okay, it's still not working. The error code I'm getting, hard to see, but it says F1. F1 is indoor evaporator outlet temperature sensor malfunction. It's got 2 air handlers and I just replaced both of those sensors. Okay, what else did you think I'd be doing? That's what I do. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.